Mwaramutse. Good morning. Amakuru yanyu. I hope you're doing well, guys. Today I have my cup of tea. It's a cold morning and I love tea. So I even have a cup with my picture. It's an old picture, but yeah. It's this cup is also old. But yes, today I want to continue my lessons that will help you to make a better conversation. Today I have 5 words. I like number 5. I don't know. I like number 5. It's easy to remember. But yeah, today we're going to look at 5 most important words that you hear every time when people are having a conversation somewhere. You may hear those words, and today I'm going to help you to practice those words so that you can also use them when you're talking in Kinyarwanda. Number 1 is Kandi. Kandi. Kandi means and. But this Kandi we use in like 2 kind of sentences or 2 clauses. When you connect 2 clauses and use Kandi, it's not between nouns or between verbs. It's between 2 sentences. Nkunda icyayi kandi nywa icyayi buri munsi. I love tea and I drink tea every day. So this kind of conjunction, kandi. We have number 2, rero. Rero. Rero means so. Same, you use so in English, you use rero in Kinyarwanda. Rero. Number 3, ariko. Ariko, which means but. The same way you use but, that's where you are using ariko. Number 4, hanyuma. Hanyuma, which means then. Then. Number 5, kuko. Kuko, which means because. Because. So in sentences you hear people using those words, so I want you to know what they mean. Kandi, rero, ariko, hanyuma, kuko. Let me say a few sentences with these words. So the first one I said, nkunda icyayi, I love tea. Kandi, nywa icyayi buri munsi. I love tea and I drink tea every day. Rero. Rero, uyu munsi ndanywa icyayi mu gitondo kandi ndanywa icyayi nimugoroba. Kuko hakonje, because it is cold. So I like to drink tea, and today I'm going to drink tea in the morning and evening because it is cold. Ariko, sinywa isukari. But I don't drink sugar. Nkunda icyayi gusa. I like to drink tea without anything. Hanyuma. Uyu munsi turiga Ikinyarwanda. Hanyuma ejo tuziga Icyongereza. Today we learn Kinyarwanda and then tomorrow we are learning English. So you can use these words in your own sentences. Please keep practicing. I want you to be confident when you try to have a conversation with someone. Use those words and other words that we are going to learn. Thank you very much for watching. See you another time and have a great day. umunsi mwiza. Murakoze cyane. Bye bye.